What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber, and if you are new, what are you waiting for? Join the divine crew. Okay, so as you read about the title, I will be telling you guys how you can build your own credit at 18 years old. Really quickly, I would just like to tell you guys what credit is, what a credit score is, why people need it. Credit score is a number between 850 to about 300 that shows a person's credit worthiness. And credit worthiness is basically, it shows how good or bad you are with making payments. The higher the score is, the better a borrower, that sounds weird, but borrowers are us. We are the people who are borrowing things such as loans, if you're making a car payment, things like that. The higher the credit score, the better the borrower looks to potential lenders. Lenders are like banks, car dealerships, your phone company if you make payments from your phone, things like that. A credit score is based off credit history, and credit history is a number of accounts, total levels of debt, and repayment history. Your parents, they constantly make payments on the rent every month or the mortgage every month. That is credit history. If you're constantly making payments on your phone bill every month, that is credit history. If you have a gym membership, that is credit history. Those are things, not saying those specifically go towards your credit, but those are examples of like credit history. Like if you are constantly making payments on something, that is what ties into your credit score. Capiche, kaposh. Lenders use credit scores to evaluate the probability that an individual, which is us, will repay loans in a timely manner. So basically your credit score basically shows, your credit history basically shows if you are credit worthiness, if you are trustworthy of making payments on time. So that is basically what a credit score is, what credit history is, what credit in general is. Now it goes a lot more in depth, but we're just going to keep it narrow because this video is about how to build it, not what it is. If y'all want that video, let me know. I can do it for y'all. So really quickly, guys, I want to show y'all my credit because, I'm real on this channel and we're going to keep it real. Like I said, I am 18 years old and a good credit score is between 700 to 850. Right now, I am at, I don't want to show y'all everything, but right now I am at 656 and I am 18 years old. So this is legit. This is not no fake scam, like none of that. This is really real, okay? So what did I do to build my credit? This is not sponsored either. I used this app called Self. And what Self is basically an app for people who have terrible credit, people who don't have any credit at all, and people who have good credit but just want to make it better. This app basically does is allow you to make payments monthly that will build your credit history. So I'm gonna talk about how the app works. So it says how it works: build credit while saving money. You can start as low as $25 per month. The first step, of course, is to apply for a credit builder account, which is basically applying, going through the process, putting your information in, things like that. Your money is safe and secure, no hard pull on your credit at all. Like, it will not mess up any of your credit if you do have credit. But in this case, we don't got credit, so we don't got to worry about that. The second step is pay off your credit builder account in a specific amount of time. You can choose the payment term and dollar amount that best fits your budget. And what this is talking about when it says pay off your credit builder account in a specific amount of time. So I chose to make my payments for, I believe, 6 months. And you can start as low as $25 per month, but I wanted to pay $48 per month. So for 6 months, I will pay $48 per month on this app. Now, this money is not like being given to them and then like you don't get that money back. Basically, all the money that I am paying every single month At the end of that 6 months, I will get all that money back. So I kind of see this as just a savings account really, but this is a savings account with extra. It's also building my credit history, which makes my credit score. So the third step, each on-time monthly payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. Like I said, the money that you pay on here is not getting taken away. It's not like not gonna come back to you. Like, it's your money. It's just basically a credit savings account type of thing, you know. Y'all better hop on this app. Like, this is not like, y'all see my credit score. Like, this is real. Like, I'm 18. Like, it's really real. Like, I mean, I'm just, y'all need to hop on it. Like, download it today. Like, all right, let me continue. So basically it says your monthly payments are reported to all 3 credit bureaus. And like I said, credit bureau, I have a hard time saying B words, so sorry y'all. But all 3 credit, that word. Like I said in the beginning, credit and credit scores have a lot more that comes in with it, but I just wanted to explain the normal gist of what it is. So yeah. And lastly, after you've paid all of your stuff for the whatever set amount you chose, the end of your payments, you not only have built your credit, but you get your savings back. So at the end of my 6 months, I will be getting back $500 because that is how much I have built up. That is how much I have paid into this app, into my credit account for those 6 months. But also, I would like to say, after you have made your 3 successful payments on that app, you now qualify for something which is called a secured credit card. Now, I don't know if y'all know this or not, but there are actually 2 different types of credit cards. There's a secured and there's an unsecured. A secured credit card, which is what I received from this app, is basically all those 3 months of payments that I've got can now go on this secured credit card, which is where I'll be able to use this money, but just like a unsecured credit card, you have to make sure you are making payments to put that money back on the credit card. But since this is my money, this is basically me using the money and putting it back on. This is also another way that you will be building your credit history through this app. Once you've made 3 successful payments on the app, you qualify for the card, and then you can also start using this card and build your credit history as well. I use this card for like gas, I use it for snacks, you know, just little things. So like at the end of the month or the next month, I'll be able to easily pay that $20 off, $15 off, whatever the heck it may be. But that is building your credit history, which is building your credit score, baby. First thing you want to do is download this app. You make your account. After you've made your account, you get to choose how much you want to pay, and you get to choose how long you want to pay. After you've chosen how much you want to pay and how long you want to pay, then that's when you start to build your credit history. And that's when you start to build your credit score. And that is that. Yeah. But you do have to be 18 to start this, y'all. Like if you're 17, I know you want to build your credit. But hey, on your birthday, you already know what to do. You can have the app ready on your phone. Like, yeah. I will leave the link down below to where you can download this app so y'all can start building y'all credit too, because I want to see us all win. Make sure you do follow my socials. Those are also linked below. If you want to directly talk to me, I do answer a lot faster on my Instagram DMs. Also, if y'all have any other things pertaining to being 18, pertaining to apartments, pertaining to anything really, just comment them down below, because I'm here for y'all. I'm here to help y'all. But without further ado, if you made it to the end, you are a real one. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of the Divine crew. But without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.